Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our lesson for today for the first intermediate grade. For the second semester of this year, our subject, as you know, is the English language from the book Full Plus 2. Our lesson for today is 1D Food Facts. This is the first part. So we have today read and vocabulary. This whole presentation is prepared and it will be presented to you by Sultan Shahrani. So, first of all, thank you very much, all of you, for being with me. It's a pleasure to be with brilliant students like you. The second thing, I want to make sure that you understand that our book is full plus 2. It is not super goal, it is full plus 2. Okay? The third and the most important thing, I want to ask you something. Everyone, are you ready to begin our lesson? Very nice, let's go. Today we will learn the first thing, more food vocabularies. So today we will learn new vocabularies that relate to food and maybe fruit, vegetables and these things. Okay? The second thing, general information about food. So we will get some information, new information, interesting information about food, about vegetables, about these things, okay? Very nice. Read. A. Read and match the questions with the answers. Then listen and check your answers. So the title is Q and A. So Q, which refers to question. A, answer. Question and answer. Okay? So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. We have 5 questions. Can you see the question mark? Those are questions. And the next slide, the next page, we have answers. A, B, C, D, E. So we can say there are 5 answers, 5 questions with 5 answers. We want to know for each question, for example, question number 1, this question, what is the best answer or what is the answer for this question? Is it A or B or C or D or maybe E? Okay, let's go back. I want you now to listen. Everyone listen. Then we will get back together to check our answers. Listen, everyone.
1D. Food facts. 1. Read. A. Read and match the questions with the answers. Then listen and check your answers.
Q&A. This week, find out about food. 1.
How much food does a person eat a year?
E. The average person eats about 682 kilograms of food a year. Most people eat about 68 kilograms of beef, 16 kilograms of eggs, 22 kilograms of chicken, 31 kilograms of bread, 57 kilograms of potatoes, 36 kilograms of fruit, and drink about 132 litres of milk. 2.
Are all carrots orange?
D. Well, at the supermarket we usually find orange carrots. But there can be other colours too. Purple, white, yellow. Strange, huh? 3.
My brother says potatoes and onions taste the same. That's not true, right?
A. Well, a lot of people think that these vegetables have a different taste, but they don't. The problem is their smell. You don't believe it, eh? Try this test then. Pinch your nose and eat them with your eyes closed. 4.
Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
B. Well, scientists say it is a fruit, but cooks usually call it a vegetable. You see, the tomato isn't sweet like fruit. 5.
Can you eat all mushrooms?
C. No, some are dangerous. Others are tasty and healthy. The matsutake mushroom is delicious, but it's quite expensive. Some people in Japan pay $2,000 for a kilogram.
Okay, so what do you think about question number 1? What is the answer for this question? How much food does a person eat a year? Take a look. What do you think? Which one? E. Excellent. The average person eats about 682 kilograms of food a year. Most people eat about 68 kilograms of beef, 16 kilograms of eggs, 22 kilograms of chicken, 31 kilograms of bread, 57 kilograms of potatoes, 36 kilograms of fruit, and drink about 132 liters of milk. So it is E. Very nice. So number 1, as we said, E. Okay. Number 2. What do you think about number 2? Are all carrots orange? Take a look. What is the answer of this question? Excellent. It is D. Well, at the supermarket we usually find orange carrots, but there can be other colors too. Purple, white, yellow. Strange, huh? Yes, it is strange. Really, it is. So we said number 2 with D. Okay, this is D. Number 3. My brother says potatoes and onions taste the same. That's not true, right? Let's take a look. What do you think? What is the answer for this question? Excellent. It is A. Well, a lot of people think that these vegetables have a different taste, but they don't. The problem is their smell. You don't believe it? Huh? Try this test then. Punch your nose and eat them with your eyes closed. Okay, so we said number 3 with A. This one A, okay, very nice. Number 4, is a tomato fruit or a vegetable? Is it fruit or vegetable? What is the answer? Which one? Excellent. B, that's right. Well, scientists say it is a fruit, but cooks usually call it a vegetable. You see, the tomato isn't sweet like fruit because it's not sweet. That's why people they call it vegetable, not fruit. Okay, so number 4 we said with B. Okay, number 5, can you eat all mushrooms? What is the answer? Yes, it is. It is C. No, some are dangerous. Some of the mushrooms are dangerous. Others are tasty and healthy. The matsutake mushroom is delicious, but it is quite expensive. Some people in Japan pay $2,000 for a kilogram, for 1 kilogram only. So number 5 with C. Okay, very nice. Let's see what do we have next. Okay, B. Read again and complete the sentences. So we want to complete these sentences. But we have at first a tip that we want to know. Decide in which part of the text you can find the information you need. So if we want to look for this information, for example, we will go back to the text and try to find the exact sentence that we will find the answer in. For example, number 1, onions and potatoes have the same what? What do you think? Taste, exactly, the same taste. Let's go back just to make sure. Okay, where is it? Okay, can you see it? A lot of people think that these vegetables have a different taste, but they don't. Exactly. So this is the answer for question number one. Can you see it? Let's put number one because it's relate, not question, it is sentence. It's relate to sentence number one. Can you see it? Onions and potatoes have the same taste. Okay, number two. Cooks say the tomato is a. What do you think? Cooks say the tomato is a. What do you think? Is it what? It is a vegetable. Exactly, it is a vegetable. Let's take a look. This is B. It is, you will find it on B. Well, scientists say it is a fruit, but cooks usually call it a vegetable. Exactly. Let's underline it. And write number two. So it's relate to sentence number two. Okay, very nice. Number three, matsutake mushrooms are tasty and healthy, but they are what? Matsutake mushrooms in Japan. We said people sometimes pay $2,000 for 1 kilogram of these mushrooms. So it is expensive, or you can say quite expensive. Exactly. Let's take a look to the sentence. Where is it? This one. The matsutake mushroom is delicious, but it is quite expensive. Excellent. It is quite expensive. So we said this is number three. Number four, carrots can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Can be for what? What do you think? For colors, exactly. What are they? What are these colors? Purple, white, orange, and yellow. Exactly. So orange, purple, white, or yellow. You will find them in four colors. Let's take a look. Which one talks about carrots? This one exactly. Purple, white, yellow. Okay, and this one, where is it? Orange. Also, this is orange. So, this is orange. Okay, those are the colors that we are looking for. This is number four. Okay, very nice. The last one, number five. The average person eats about 22 kilogram of fruit a year. So, the average person eats about, let's concentrate on the first one, about 22 kilogram of what? 22 kilogram of chicken, exactly, chicken, and of fruit. And how many kilos? How many kilograms of fruit the person eats? The person eats a year. How many kilograms? Very nice. So we have to say 22 kilograms of chicken and 36 kilograms of fruit a year. Okay, so this is the sentence. This is 22 kilogram of chicken. Okay, and 36 kilogram of fruit. Okay, this is number 5. Very nice. Those are the answers. Okay, vocabulary. Complete with the words in the box. So we have these words: find, sweet, expensive, cook, smell, and call. Those words, we want to put them in these blanks, okay? Number 1, A. What's that? B. Oh, it is coffee. Come into the kitchen and have some. What's that? Smell. Exactly. What's that smell? Oh, it is coffee. Come into the kitchen and have some. Number 2, A. This chocolate cake isn't at all. B. Do you think so? I like it. This chocolate cake isn't sweet at all. Do you think so? I like it. Number 3, A. Is cereal healthy for you? How can I? Out. B. Surf the net. How can I? Find out. Excellent. Find out. B. Surf the net. Number 4, A. I want to buy a new computer, but they are very. B. I know. So what do you think? I want to buy a new computer, but they are very expensive. Exactly. B. I know. Number 5. Please stay and have dinner with us tonight. My grandmother is a great cook. Excellent. Cook. That's right. Number 6. This is our rabbit. We her Trixie. This is our rabbit. We call her. Exactly. Call her Trixie. Very nice. Beautiful. So today we learned the first thing, more food vocabularies. Number 2, general information about food. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much, all of you, for being with me. Those are the references if you want to use them to help you studying. Full Plus 2, the student book, the teacher's guide, the audio. You can use Google Clips. Those also are the contacting numbers, the accounts, the website for Ain website and for Tatweer company for educational services. If you want more information, you can use them. As I said, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much, all of you, for being with me. I hope I see you next time. This is Sultan Shahrani. Goodbye, everyone.